Big thanks to Playtech Sports for sponsoring this video. So I just did a video about what I eat in a day. You know me, all about that healthy lifestyle. So today we are doing my updated workout routine, what I do when I work out. When I work out, I don't do anything like too crazy. I like to keep it short, simple, and sweet, so I can go have some sweets. So this whole workout routine that we're doing today is basically a little bit of some of the workouts that I do. So before I start out my workouts, and I try to do this every single day, I stretch a lot. Because most of the day I'm sitting on my computer, and that's no good. I do try to walk around, be as active as I can, just because I have so much work I have to do on the computer, and like stretching really helps. So first I'll just start off by grabbing my foot. We gotta get a good stretch before we start the real workout. Also, I try to stretch like several times a day. Just like whenever I'm sitting for a long time, I'll get up and then do this stretch, because you gotta stretch your lower back if you're sitting for a very long time. Otherwise it'll lead to a lot more back problems, and that's like the last thing I need. 99 problems and 75 of them are my back. Oh yes, my favorite, the good old squat. I try to do squats at least a couple times a week. I'll usually just keep going until it starts to burn, and I know this is a little TMI, but I'm a girl and other girls have asked me this. What do you do during your time of the month? Yeah, girl uses Playtech Sport tampons. Playtech Sports tampons have a 360-degree design and flex fit technology that moves the way you move. So you can move however you want to move, and you'll be Gucci. You won't even have to worry about anything. They're designed to fit your body and its every move with a protective leak barrier while swimming, running, being active, doing what you gotta do. Playtech Sport is the #1 athletic tampon brand out there, so you know you good. There's a coupon link in the description below. So you Instagram all the time, so I'm like, yeah, you know what, I'll do this. And I like to do this like in between my squat sets, just because it's like less energy, unless I use ankle weights. I don't have ankle weights with me right now, but basically I'll just hold on to something and do leg lifts. And I'll usually do like 15 on each side, go back to doing squats, and then do my leg lifts again. These aren't that bad. They get pretty brutal if you do the ankle weights. I just don't have ankle weights right now, okay? Also, ankle weights hurt my foot. But yes, that concludes my workout. Again, I like to keep it very simple. We're not trying to get too crazy yet. I feel like I need to like slowly build up to it. But yeah, I'm glad I could share this with you guys. I'm proud of myself. Let's give myself a pat on the back, because I have been healthier and I feel good about it. And I wanted to tell you guys how healthy I am. Why is it so hot in my room? I swear, I turn off the AC for like 2 seconds and it feels like we are in the pits of hell. But yeah, again, big thanks to Playtech Sport for sponsoring this video. And if you guys enjoyed and want more lifestyle videos like this, make sure you hit that like button in the face and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.